everyone, welcome to Guest Squad. So today I will guide you how you can apply for postdoc in King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So this is the home page of King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, and this is the home page, and I will give the link of this website in description. So if you scroll down here, you can see the KAUST Global Fellowship Program will support outstanding emerging research leaders from around the world to build a path to a fully independent career. The program is merit-based, targeting excellent postdocs with breakthrough ideas across the 5 research pillars of KAUST. So here are 2 strands, and you have to select the strands in application form. So if your field is related to this water, energy, environment, food and health and digital domain, then you will select the strand 1. And if your field related to or focusing on hydrogen production, your research focus on hydrogen production, then you will select the strand 2. So after this, next is eligibility. So in eligibility, the candidate, the KAUST Global Fellowship Program is open to applicants awarded a PhD within the past 4 years or have a maximum of 4-year research experience with a justified career break. So the fellowship is for postdoctoral researchers to undertake a 3-year research project while living and working at KAUST. So first of all, the topic may be related to the research pillars generally or focused on green hydrogen technologies and storage solution. Candidates must identify and confirm a host KAUST faculty member to be eligible to apply. So guys, you must have the offer letter from the faculty of King Abdullah University, from the professor of your related field, and then you can apply. You are eligible for this scholarship. So candidate will need to be able to satisfy all the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia requirements to obtain resident status. So how you can check the host? Click here, find your host. Here you can see some different research areas. So by clicking here, you can check the faculty of all research areas. For example, if I click here chemical science, then here you can see some faculty of chemical science. So by clicking here, you can check the research field. From here you can check research interest, and if your research field is related to this professor, then you can send email and ask for supervision, and if he will agree to host you, then he will give you offer letter, and after getting offer letter, then you will be able to apply for the scholarship. So by like this, you can check the professor, you can select the host related to your field. So after getting the approval from your host, next is benefits. In benefits, you will receive monthly stipend of almost $6,000, and independent annual research budget up to $45,000, and access to leadership and mentorship program, access to unparalleled laboratory facilities and medical insurance, accommodation, schooling, relocation and travel allowances. You will also get these all benefits. Next is how to apply. So for an application to be considered by the selection committee, the candidate must meet the eligibility criteria outlined on the website and detailed in the guideline document. It must include a 3-year research project proposal that meets the research topic and budget criteria. So from here you can check the guidelines, application instruction, research proposal template, and host confirmation letter template, reference letter template and CV template, and the deadline is 30 November 2021. In timeline, fellowship call opens 1st October, from 1st October, and close application on 30 November. Then proposal evaluation is from December to January. Then notification of result, you will receive the decision if you are selected late January 2022, and start of onboarding procedures 1st February 2022. So let's apply. Just click here apply now. Thank you for your interest in the KAUST Global Fellowship Program. You will be required to submit the following documents with this online application: research proposal, host confirmation letter, CV, publication 1 and publication 2. So before apply, just ready these documents. Once you have prepared these documents, please complete this electronic form, and the deadline for the final submission is 30 November. This electronic application form contains the following section. The application form has 6 sections: personal details, academic qualifications, current or most recent position, scientific communication, your 2 best publications. You have to give the information of your 2 best publications in application form, research proposal summary, and document uploaded. How did you hear about the KAUST Global Fellowship Program? So right here from where you hear the about the KAUST Global Fellowship Program, and after writing this, just click here next. So section 1 is personal details. First of all, you have to select your title. Write your last name, given name, date of birth, email address, select your gender, citizenship, and if you have dual nationalities, then select from here other nationalities and country of residence. Then while Arabic is the national language in Saudi Arabia, English is the working language at KAUST. So select your English level in the following areas. So in spoken, you are fluent, confident, basic; in written, reading. So from here select according to you, and after this just click here next. The second section is academic qualification, PhD, doctorate. So here give the information, give the all details of your PhD. Write here name of qualification, institution, country from where you get the degree of PhD, date completed and expected completion. So from here select the date, main course of study and specialization. If you have any specialization, then write here, and then here write your thesis title or topic. And if you want to add another degree or diploma, then just check this and give the details of second degree, and after this just click here next. So the third section is current or most recent position. Please provide the following regarding your most recently held position. You may provide all other relevant employment history, including brief description of duties, responsibilities, and achievements for each position listed in your CV or resume. So write here your job title, and if you are doing this job currently, then select here, check this current, and from here select the date when you start this job and when the job will be end. Contract type, full-time, part-time or casual. Then here write the name and employer address. From here select your country, write your supervisor last name and then given name. Then here write the position and email address. This is optional. Do you consent to us contacting your supervisor for verification? Yes or no. And after this just click here next. Next, fourth section is scientific communications. Please provide the following details for what you consider your 2 best publications and upload PDF copies in section 6. So first of all, you have to select the publication type: peer-reviewed journal article, book, chapter, conference proceedings or other. So from here select according to you. Then write your article title and when your article published, then give the information of second publication, and after this just click here next. So section 5 is research proposal summary. So first of all you have to write here proposal title and then your area of research. Which of the 5 KAUST pillars of research does your proposal address? So if your field is related to this, then just check all these. Is your research project addressing strands 1, general topics across the KAUST 5 research pillars, or strand 2 on hydrogen production? So strand 1 because our field related to this. If your field related to hydrogen, then you have to select the strand 2. Next is KAUST faculty member host. If you get the offer letter from host, then write here the name of host. Please upload a support letter from the potential KAUST host in section 6. Have you identified other KAUST faculty member you may like to collaborate with? Yes or no. Next is references. So here you have to give the 2 referees informations, name, position, institution, email, and after this just click here next. Okay, the next section, 6th section, is document upload. So please use the following buttons to upload the required documents. So first of all you have to upload the research proposal. So click here and click here choose file and upload the file of research proposal. Like this, upload the CV, support letter from KAUST and 2 publications, and after uploading this just click here next. So after this review the application and just click here submit form. So guys, the form was submitted successfully. Hope you guys understand how you can apply for postdoc in KAUST King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. So if you have any question regarding to this scholarship, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.